Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a minimalist logo in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into masking of image, using text tool, using hue and saturation, rasterizing layers. So let's get started. So here in our document, we got here a clean canvas. And our goal here is to create a minimal logo. So we also prepare some assets here, like this pizza. And yes, the first step we're gonna do here is we're going to drag this pizza image into our original document. So to do that, in this canvas, I'm going to click on the layer and use the move tool and click and drag it on our original layer and release. And there you have it. Okay, the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to create a selection on this pizza. Okay, right? So to do that, with this layer selected, I'm going to the menu bar, click on select, and then choose subject. And there you have it. And then let's cut this out and then click on the add a mask. Okay, so once I did that, you can see it's removed. And then after that, I'm going to right click on the thumbnail and choose apply layer mask. Okay, so we already have this only pizza image. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. So the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to create a selection on the pizza and only on those pepperonis, okay? So that means we're going to remove the cheese inside, okay? So to do that, I'm going to press Control and click on the thumbnail of this layer with the pizza. Click on that, okay? So you can see that there is already a selection. And then now this time we're going to make use of a quick selection tool to remove the selection on those cheese. So going onto the toolbar, go to the 4 tool, first, second, third, fourth, right click on it and choose quick selection tool. And then I'm going to put this one into a subtract sign, okay? And then I'm going to remove the selection on this area. And there you have it. That was quick. And after this selection, I'm going to add a mask once again, okay? And you can see that I already removed those cheese inside. Okay, and then right click on this layer and then choose apply layer mask. Okay, so that it will be only this layer, right? So we just remove the mask. The next step we're gonna do here is we're going to add a hue and saturation on our pizza. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to press Control and then click on the thumbnail of this pizza. Okay, so once I did that, I already have this selection again. Okay, and then I'm going to the adjustment layer icon here. Click on this and then choose hue and saturation. Okay, so under lightness, I'm going to drag the slider to around minus 100. Okay, so once I did that, you can see I already created this effect to our pizza. It turns to black and white. And the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to merge these two layers. So selected on the hue and saturation layer and the pizza layer by pressing Control and click on this layer. Now I already have selection with these two. Right click on it and choose merge layers. Okay, so I already bring this layer to this. All right, so the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to add the text. Okay, but first, before we do that, I'm going to hide this layer first. Okay, right, hide this one. Okay, and then go to the toolbar and choose on the text tool. So this one shows the text tool, or T for the shortcut key. Okay, and now once I click that, I'm going to click it on the canvas. So I'm going to write our text pizza. There you have it. And then I'm going to go to the move tool, click on this, and put that in the middle. All right. The next step we're gonna do here is we're going to change the font or adjust the font. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to double click on the pizza layer, on the thumbnail layer. All right. Go here, click on this. This is the character. Okay. All right. And for example, I'm going to make the size bigger like this. Okay. All right. If there's spacing like this, I want to give it a few spaces, but not too much. I'm gonna put this one into around 55%. Okay. Now that's getting longer and wider. Okay, and here negative 150. All right, there you go. That's fine. Okay, and I set the font into Summer Dream Sans Demo. Okay, so I'm good with this. All right. And the next step we're going to do here is we're going to rasterize this text layer. So to do that, right click on the text layer, right click on it, and then choose rasterize type. Okay, so once I did that, okay, it shows this image. Okay, so it's no longer a text layer. All right. So the next step we're gonna do here is I'm gonna bring back this layer, yeah, the image of our pizza that turned into black and white. Okay. All right, there you go. And I'm going to press Control plus T for the transformation command. Yeah, I'm going to rotate this image and decrease the size by clicking on those anchor, by dragging those anchor point to decrease the size. Okay, and I'm going to set it to this. Okay, see. All right, and the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to enter first. Okay, okay, so there you go. Now we already bring our pizza image there, right? And then I'm going to press Control and click on the thumbnail of this pizza image layer. Okay, so once I click that, we already have this image. Okay, and then once this selected, I'm going to the menu bar, select on this, select, and choose Modify, and then I'm gonna choose Expand, and set this one to 5 pixels, and then select OK. All right, and the next step here, well, with this selection, I'm going to click on the pizza text layer. All right, so there you go. I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm going to press backspace. So once I did that, now you can see I already created effect on this text. All right, so if you want to make this one as a vector, just hide the background layer, okay, like this, and there you have it. And that is how to create a minimalist logo in Photoshop.